mga constituents no, going to the south. Kunya, unsafe kaayo kay makita ninyo ha, especially dito nga part, ang kaning atok bitaw, ang kaning siling di ay, there, makita ninyo, ang siling, delikado kayo, no? This is accident waiting to happen here. Good maayo pagka-manage ba? Kita din ako. And surprisingly, ang Mr. Lu, naa sila itulo ka CR diri. So, they must be making good business here. They started with one and now they have three. And only to find out na they only give 5% of the gross sales sa province. Wala sila nag-abang, 5% of the gross sale. So this is something we really have to review and look into. But this week, I will be having a meeting with the stakeholders.
So, sa may tapo din na growth, no? Especially pag ulang i-open na ginadapat nga CR.
Muna na nga tan-awon sa legal, kay nga anay contract. So there's nothing much we can do muna sa contract.
Ako kuan ang issue sa public CR nato. Direto gitrabaho na but what happens
wa pa gyud na trabaho because walay proper we have to designate someone to manage diri kay wala gid klaro kung sulod gid namo. That's why we were asking for transition at the time. Para by this time, okay na ta. But wala pa man yun. So, wala man may tagaig time for transition. So good as uno karon.
sa second floor, what will happen? Kay grabe man gyud to.
No, I went up, no, smelly, it's, wala good, wala dilapidated, gamay ang sa taas. We're looking into it unta ka ng mga offices pa, sa government offices na instead of they go sa downtown, at least 3 na lang, ignaong nila sa basnaan na lang, but we still have to review that plan of ours. Yeah, but first things first, we have to fix the toilet para na ay option ang katauhan na dili na mo bayad para sa toilet.
Ano ba ibabangan once ma-fix na ni second floor?
Pwede good siya. We're looking at offices, government offices na makahatag serbisyo sa atong taga-probinsya sa South Park District.